Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel, Septeria 18. I have some really fun, simple project ideas to share with you that you can make in just under 5 minutes. And these really simple projects uses these journaling or project life cards that you may also have in your stash. I have a whole heap of these and I've had these for quite some time. So I decided to use these and see what I could make and make some simple projects with them. These journaling cards, they come in 2 sizes generally. You can get a smaller size, and the smaller size are usually 3 inches by 4 inches, and they're double-sided, and they have somewhere for you to do some journaling. Some of them have some quotes, and some are blank with some pretty pattern prints where you can add photos to them. You can make these as a memory, to add some photos and just some memory cards where you can add them to your planners. You can add them into pocket sleeves. So these are just really fun cards to have. If you don't have these journaling cards or project life cards, you can make your own, and just using double-sided paper, just cutting your paper down to 3 inches by 4 inches, and then just corner rounding the 4 corners. That's for the smaller size, and then the larger size are usually 4 inches by 6 inches, and then you can also just cut your paper to that size and then corner around the 4 corners to create the larger size. But I just wanted to show you some of these projects that I've made if you also want to make them with your cards or project life cards. So let me just show you what I've made, and then I'll also make these and show you how you could make these as well. So these are the ones that I've made, and so fun to make. I just had really easy to put together. So what I made some pockets using the larger size. So this is the larger size pockets, and it just so happens to fit the smaller size journaling cards inside as well when I folded the larger size over as well. So I like the way that I've also created a little gap here so that you could see through the pocket. Then I added one of my paper laid embellishments that I had done in one of my recent videos, and I'll put the link down below for you if you want to have a look and see how you could easily make these using your paper scraps and punches. So this is one of them. This is another one that I've made, again using one of my banner laid paper embellishments to the front. I decorated it with some beads and some crochet string to create like a tag, and that was cute, a little word sentiment. And then in this one I placed a wood pick embellishment and another pocket that I made, again using some scraps, and I placed a packaged postage stamp shaped die, and I just added some printed paper to the front of them and packaged that up. And this is the pocket or pocket tag shape, and then it just goes in there. And this is really cute, another fun way to make a pocket as well. So that was a nice way to do that, and that just fitted in there perfectly as well. So you could use these pockets as a way to send a gift to someone. You could also add these into your planners, and what you can do then is just punch a couple of holes here, and then you can insert this into your binder rings to create a pocket inside. You could add the pocket to a page and just glue the sides down the back to create a pocket insert. So that's another great way to do that. I then made a smaller size pocket with the smaller journaling card, and I'll place in here a couple of embellished tags. So I've made those, and this is a smaller size. It's just really cute, and this is the bigger size. And what's great with these pockets, they've got a nice opening, so you can add dimensional embellishments inside or bulkier packaged items. So you can see there's a lot of room because this has that opening here, so it's easy to take things in and out. So this is the smaller size that I made. So I just think these pockets are really cute. So that's that one. And then I just made a simple, easy slide pocket. It just sort of slides off the side like that. And this is really cute. Again, I used one of my embellishments that I had made and placed that in the front, and that was just a great way to finish off the front of the pocket. Added some trim to the side here just also to add some fun decoration. Got a little paper clip. Now you can also add this to the side there as well if you want to keep that closed. So that's just another cute little pocket. Then I also made a booklet, which is quite simple. I just used some photocopying paper, and then I just cut the photocopying paper to size to fit inside the cover. And then I added a smaller size journaling card, just folding it in half and then stapling it to the middle to create the journal booklet. And these are great. You can add these and make a little pack and put them in craft fairs if you do craft fairs. Great little gift for Christmas. A good stocking filler as well. And this here is a little pocket folder, which I love. I think this is really cute. I punched a hole here to create a closure for some jute twine that I've wrapped around the pocket folder, and it opens up like that. And then here is a side pocket where I placed a 3x3 pocket flip book. I've got a little pocket here on this side, and then there is a double page and a side pocket. And I have a tutorial on how you can make these again really easily with 1 6x6 paper to create this cute little booklet. And you can also have it this way if you want to have your pocket folder that way, and then that just closes up this way. So you can have it like that, or you can have it this way. And this is a great little folder as well if you have a friend that loves tea. It'll fit a little tea bag perfectly that way or that way. You can fit a gift card in here. You could add some packaged handmade jewelry, some notes, ephemeras, stickers. So it's a great size. So this is another great little way to make a little pocket folder with the larger size journaling card. So let me just put this to the side, and I'm going to show you how you can make these quite easily and quickly in about 5 minutes. So let me start with, let me just put these to the side. We'll start with the little pockets first. Or I'll make this size, and this one here is exactly the same way to make the larger size, but I'm just going to make it with the larger size journaling card to make this one. So you just want a 4x6 size. Again, you can just cut your paper if you don't have a journaling card. Just trying to find one that I might want to use. I won't use that. Let me just... let's use this one because I have a couple of these ones. So just to create the pocket, again, the smaller size, using the 4x3 size is exactly the same way to make it. So you just grab your paper and just decide which side you want to use. So all you do is you're going to, on the right side, you're going to fold the right side over about 3/4 of an inch in. I'm just going to fold it over without measuring. So I've just done that. And then this side here, I'm going to bring this over as well. And you want to bring it over, leaving about 1/2 inch of a gap from the other side that you folded. So you've got a bit of a gap there. So that is all you need to do there. And then what you want to do is you want to grab an embellishment that you may have made, or if you don't have any embellishments, you can just grab a shape, like I've got a heart shape. You can just find something that's going to be able to place in the front to give it a bit of a closure in your pocket so that nothing will fall through. So you can just use some scrap paper. You could use whatever you like just to cover this part here. So before we do that, we're going to glue down the bottom here first. So I'm just going to glue. Sorry, I've got glue now on my fingers. Just gluing along here. then on this side. And then we're just going to bring it in and press it down. And that should close off the bottom. So once that's nice and sealed, you're going to grab your embellishment or whatever you want to place on the front. So I'm going to grab one of these ones that I've made. I'm going to have these in my shop, and you'll get a random 5 pieces of embellishments. Just quickly to show you. So you'll get one of these, you'll get a random one of these, a heart shape, you'll get a beaded paper tassel, as well as one of these banner shape embellishments. So you'll get 5 embellishments, random prints of these shaped embellishments in the pack. So these will be listed in my shop in case you want to purchase these ones that I've made. But I'm going to grab one of these paper layered banner ones. So I'm going to make one similar to this one, although this one won't have a hole punched in the top. I'm just going to place it here so you could see how it looks like. So I'm just going to place that on the top or in the front. You can see it doesn't match the papers, but I like how the colours just seem to work. So it doesn't really matter what you use. So I'm just going to then place it on the front. I didn't glue the top, just the sides down here. And that pretty much completes my pocket. Quick and simple. So that should hopefully fit in there nicely. So that can fit in there, and then you can add whatever you like in these pockets. So that one's done. Now I'm going to show you how to make the little side tuck pocket, which is pretty straightforward, really easy. And I'm just going to use a smaller size. You can use the larger size if you like, but I love cute little small pockets. So I'm going to grab another, I might use this one. So all you do is really simple. You're just going to bring the front up, and you're going to bring it up, leaving the top part peeking through at the top. Again, depending on the depth you want your pocket. I'm just folding that down. So that's all I've done. I've just folded over. And then if you wanted to add some trim to the side, you can do that now, and adhering the trim to the side here, and then you're going to glue that up. But I don't have any trim on me here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to add glue to the shorter side where we made that fold to the left side. And I'm just bringing that up and then pressing that down. And there you have your easy slide side pocket. And then you can decorate the front if you like. Let's see if I've got my one. So I can just grab one of these just so you can see, and then I can just finish it off and add one of those. You can add a word sentiment. You can add, what do they call those, rosette flowers. So you can do that. So that is the easy, simple side tuck pocket. With the booklet, I won't do the tutorial for this one because I don't have the papers cut up ready for the video, but you just cut your paper, photocopying paper, printed paper, any paper you like to create the booklet, just cutting it down to size. And then I added the smaller size. You just fold your papers in half, and then you just staple it in the middle, and that will give you your booklet. And I've just got a paper clip that I've made to close it. So that's how to make this one. And then to make this cute little pocket folder, which I really like this one. I think these are really great to use as Happy Mail ID. You just use your larger size. Again, I'm just going to pick one up. I might just use this one. So we'll use this one. So all you do is decide what side you want as your front. So I'll just use this side as my front. And all you do is you're going to go to the left side, and you're going to bring this over, and you want to fold it however deep you want your side tuck pocket to be. Just depends on how deep you want your pocket. I'm just going to fold mine about this far in, which is probably about 1 inch, maybe. So that's as far as I'll go in. And then this right side, I'm going to bring it in, but not too far in, just enough so there's a bit of a gap. But you want to be able to see what you've got inside. So again, that's all I've done here. So this will be the closure. This will be your side pocket, which then means we'll just glue the sides down. And that will now give you a side tuck pocket, and then you've got your closure here. You could punch a hole here to create a hole for your trim like I've got here. Or you can just use a belly band and just slide a belly band through. You could just add some ribbon and just wrap it around. So you can decide what you'd like to do with this side to create the closure. And then you can then have it this way, so that, I should have maybe had it done that way. But you can have the closure that way with the pocket down below or on the side. And that will fit a cute little 3x3 booklet if you decide to make one in there as well. So see how cute that looks. Or you can then have it this way. So that is just another way to create a little pocket folder using the 4x6 size journaling card. So I do hope you enjoy this really fun, simple project idea that you can make in 5 minutes using these journaling cards. I'm just going to place this here so you can see. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.